experiment. So, if you've watched the walkthrough video on Seesaw about what you need and you're ready to start your experiment, you're in the right place. So I have my paper copy, which you guys all had in your October bag, and it tells me what I need. So I didn't have a plain old board, I had this puzzle that I'm gonna use as my ramp. It's a little bit longer than 2 feet, but it will work. And I have 5 books, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so I'm gonna set up my ramp like that. Hopefully it'll find a place to stay. Then I have my 3 different surfaces. I have my wax paper, I have a towel. I don't have the sticky rubber shelf liner, but I'm gonna use something else that's sticky. I'm gonna put like a row of tape down and see if the car will go on that. I also have my 3 notes: tape, towel, wax paper to mark how far my car went. And I have my car. And I don't have a measuring tape here, but I have this big ruler that I'm gonna use. And again, you can also use a non-standard measure, like you can use your shoe and see how many shoes in between it was. Or you can just walk and measure with your feet. Okay? So, we asked the question, and I think I said in my video, I said the towel will let it go for the longest. So now we can start. So I made my ramp, and we're gonna start with the wax paper. So I'm going to put it up here at the top and tape it so it doesn't roll away. Got my car, run it down the ramp. Ready? Let's count down. 3, 2, 1. All right. Now I find my wax paper, post it. I'm gonna mark it right here, because that's as far as my car went. I'm gonna take my paper off, put the towel down. Let's see how far it goes on the towel. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, it did not go as far. That's okay. At this point, we're not measuring yet. Just gonna put my note right here. That's how far it went with the towel. Take this off. Now this might be tricky. I'm going to lay my tape down. Here, I think I'll do it like this. I have 2 strips, side by side. Then I'm going to tape it. So if you go this method and you don't have shelf liner, you might need an adult to help. That's okay, it's a little tricky. Okay, so I'm gonna tape my 2 tape strips right here and line it up so it's laying. I might tape that end down too so it's laying flat. Because we're comparing something, the wax paper was really smooth. The towel was a little bit rough, and then the rubber shelf liner would have been sticky, kind of sticky, bumpy. So, ready? Something sticky. Let's see how far it goes to the tape. Oh no, it won't go at all. I had to give it a little push. Right. So, I have finished. Now I'm going to measure and record on my sheet. So let me scooch up here, have my ruler that I was gonna use, and, oh, where'd my pen go? There it is. All right, so I'm gonna measure from the end of my ramp on the tape. It went 6 inches. So I'm going to circle the 0 to 10. My towel, it went 7 inches. Not much further, but it was still 0 to 10. My wax paper, it went about 15 inches. So that is 11 to 20. So this is what my chart looks like, but yours might look different. So now I'm going to compare with my questions on my conclusion page. So, did the wax paper let the car go the longest distance? Yes. Did the towel let it go the longest? No. Did the tape let it go the longest? No. Was my guess correct? No. So, my first conclusion page, looks like this. I circled my answers. Now, after you circle your answers, you'll go into the Seesaw activity and record it in Seesaw so then I can see how your experiment went. Also, you can take a picture to show me how your experiment went. See you later.